What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best 3D printer in 2026, whether for professional prototyping, hobby projects, or multicolor printing, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best 3D printers that deliver speed, print quality, smart automation, and excellent value. From beginner-friendly machines to high-performance multicolor systems, there's something here for every maker. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Creality K2 Combo. This is one of the most advanced consumer 3D printers available right now. It supports up to 16 color printing, features dual AI cameras, full auto leveling, and an impressive large build volume of 350 by 350 by 350 millimeters. It's built for creators who need larger prints, advanced multicolor workflows, and top-tier performance. The print quality is outstanding, and the larger print area makes it incredibly versatile. Pros: up to 16 color printing, massive build volume, dual AI camera monitoring, high-speed printing, fully automated setup. If you want the best overall 3D printer in 2026, the Creality K2 Combo is hard to beat. Number 2. Creality K2 Combo. In our second spot is the Creality K2 Combo. This printer offers a premium mix of speed, intelligence, and multicolor capability. It features the CFS system for multicolor printing, a 300-degree nozzle, dual AI cameras, and a direct drive extruder. Its 260 by 260 by 260 millimeter build volume offers plenty of space for most projects, while the automatic leveling system removes setup frustration. In testing, it delivers excellent print quality and smooth color transitions. Pros: multicolor printing support, dual AI cameras, high-speed performance, quiet operation, reliable print quality. The K2 Combo is ideal for serious hobbyists and advanced makers. Number 3. FLASHFORGE AD5X Multicolor. At number 3, we have the FLASHFORGE AD5X Multicolor. This is FLASHFORGE's multicolor printing solution, designed for users who want creative flexibility. It supports multiple filament colors while keeping the same fast Core XY architecture. With a 300-degree direct drive extruder and one-click auto leveling, it's built for both precision and convenience. The multicolor capability makes it excellent for detailed models, figurines, and artistic prints. Pros: multicolor printing support, fast 600 millimeters per second speed, excellent print precision, easy leveling system, reliable extruder performance. The AD5X is perfect for creators who want color and precision in one machine. Number 4. FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M. At number 4, we have the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M. This printer combines speed, simplicity, and reliability in a beginner-friendly package. With Core XY motion system and print speeds up to 600 millimeters per second, it delivers smooth and consistent results. Its fully automatic leveling system makes setup extremely easy, while the detachable nozzle system allows for faster maintenance. Print quality is sharp and consistent, making it a great option for home users and small businesses. Pros: beginner-friendly setup, fast Core XY motion system, auto leveling works great, easy nozzle replacement, reliable print quality. If you want a fast and easy-to-use printer, the Adventurer 5M is a solid pick. Number 5. Creality K1C. The K1C is Creality's upgraded high-speed printer built for users who want fast printing without sacrificing reliability. It features blazing fast print speeds up to 600 millimeters per second, a clog-resistant direct drive extruder, and support for carbon fiber filaments. One of its standout features is the AI camera for print monitoring and failure detection, making it a smart option for serious creators. In real-world performance, the K1C produces impressive quality while maintaining speed, which makes it ideal for both prototyping and production. Pros: fast 600 millimeters per second print speed, supports carbon fiber materials, AI camera monitoring, auto leveling system, quiet printing mode. The K1C is a strong choice for speed-focused users who want advanced material support. So, that was our list of the top 5 best 3D printers in 2026. If you want the best overall, go with the Creality K2 Combo. If you want premium multicolor features at a slightly lower price, the K2 Combo is an excellent option. And if you're on a tighter budget but still want speed and quality, the K1C and Adventurer 5M are great choices. Check the links in the description for pricing and more details. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews and tech rankings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.